I also checked the assessment procedures and coordinated with the AC manager and AC processing officer prior to the conduct of this assessment. Again, good morning. I am Eliza Lanzon, your competency assessor for animal production, poultry, chicken, and seafood. I would also like to recognize the presence of our AC manager, Mr. Gian Kutungan, and our tester representative, Ma'am Caroline Pino. They are here to oversee the conduct of this assessment in accordance to the methodologies and procedures of TESDA. So as I call your name, please come up in the front and bring your admission slip as well as your valid ID so I can validate your identity in case you impersonated someone. Once the verification is complete, you can sign the membership right here. So number 1, Marty Abad. Okay, so you can sign the attendance sheet. Thank you so much. Just sit down. So now, as you can see, you have here your accomplished application form, self-assessment guide, and your consent form, which indicates that you can perform all the units of competency in animal production, poultry, and seafood. So before we will start with the proper assessment, I will conduct a verification first. Again, welcome to Environment School of Technology, your assessment center. So here we will be taking the level of your competency. For the purpose, may I ask you, Ma'am Asan, what is the purpose of this assessment for you? For certificate, of course. So a lot of our students or our candidates says that for certification, for career and personal development, for extra income, for employment abroad. But let us not forget also that you're correct, for certification or for you to acquire your national certificate and also to determine the level of your competency. So this qualification, animal production, poultry, chicken, and seafood, is a cluster type training qualification which is composed of 4 basic competency, 4 common competency, and 4 core competency, as well as 1 elective competency. So, Ma'am Aban, you have trained already on this qualification. May I ask you to enumerate the 4 core competency? Okay, thank you. So, as your assessor, I will evaluate and observe your underpinning skills, knowledge, and attitude based on the set standards of animal production, poultry, chicken, and seafood. So, how do I do that? So, we will use 3 methods. Number 1 is through written test. Number 2 is demonstration. And number 3 is oral questioning. So, all of this method has its own conditions and also time allotment. For written test, you will be given 1 hour to answer. For demonstration, you will be given 2 hours to perform. And for oral questioning, you will be given 2 or more questions to answer. Do you understand that? Okay, so in terms of your personal needs, if ever you have to use a restroom, we have it there at the end of the hallway. If you need to eat, we also have a canteen outside the assessment center. However, once the assessment starts, you are no longer allowed to leave the assessment premises. Okay? So next, here also is in TESDA, we have the allowable adjustment. For example, you have a difficulty in understanding English language. Please let us know in advance because this assessment or our assessment package is written all in English. Next, in terms of culture or religion, if ever you are an Islam or Muslim, please let us know if it is time for you to pray so we can accompany you to a prayer room. Next, if you have any health conditions such as asthma or hypertension and others, please let us know in advance because in this assessment, you will be exposed to extreme environment. Next, in terms if you have any disabilities, for example, you have a difficulty in reading or seeing, reading, and also hearing, please let us know if you need assistance for that so we can adjust for you, okay? For house rules, number 1, entertain those questions anymore. Second, using of cell phone or any activities that involve cell phone is also not allowed once the assessment starts. Understood? Okay? So, in this assessment, you all know that it has two results only. May I ask you, ma'am, what are those? Okay, so first, if you are deemed competent at the end of this assessment, you will be given your ENC or Electronic National Certificate by tomorrow via your email. If ever you need a certified true copy of it, you can get it at TESDA Sergeant Provincial Office, which is located at Barangay Lagao, General Santos City. If you just have to bring your competency assessment result summary, which will be given by our AC manager at the end of this assessment, and also bring an 85 pesos up for your application. Next, if you are deemed not yet competent at the end of this assessment, do not worry because you can be reassessed anytime at your own convenience. You just have to fill out again your application form, the self-assessment guide, and your consent form. Also bring 2 pieces, passport size, white background with color ID picture, and an 897 assessment fee. So I've said earlier that this training qualification, the animal production, poultry, chicken, and C2 is a cluster type. Meaning that in those units of competency you are deemed not yet competent is the only ones you will be reassessing. However, if 2 consecutive reassessment you are still deemed not yet competent, you will be advised to take a refresher course before applying again for the reassessment. Okay? So, next, you as a candidate have the right and appeal. So, in terms of if you ever have any violent reaction or you are not satisfied with the result of this assessment, you can write the letter of appeal to our AC Manager of EnviroGreen School of Technology, Mr. Gian Putuan. If ever you want to take it higher, you can write the letter to Amor B. Pendalinday, EBB, the Provincial Director of TESDA Sergeant Provincial Office. If you want to take it higher, you can write the letter to Remedios G. Demonio, EDD, CESO 6, the Regional Director of TESDA Region 12. And if you want to take it the highest or in the central office, you can write the letter to Jose Francisco Kiko B. Benitez, the General Director of TESDA. So, did I say it clear, ma'am? Okay, so in terms of your occupational health and safety, please do not forget to wear your PPE properly. Because in poultry farm, PPE is equals to biosecurity. You're not only protecting the poultry or the birds, you're also protecting the farm environment as well as yourself. Okay? In terms of accidents that may happen during the assessment, which is, I hope not, we have a first aid kit here in our assessment center. So next, in terms of confidentiality, your result and assessment package is kept in your training center and only the TESDA personnel can access it. So we also have the term what happens here stays here. So you are not allowed to tell anybody what happened in this assessment, okay? And also, as you can see, we have an audio and video recording right here to monitor our assessment. This is in accordance with the TESDA strict compliance for the integrity of the assessment and for the certification procedures. Also, you have read the consent form and signed it, which means that you are agreeing to the monitoring of this assessment in accordance to Data Privacy Act of 2012. So that's the end of our orientation. Do you have any questions? Okay, if not, then I will give you the specific instructions for the candidate. Please read that. Okay, so you're finished. start the first method of assessment, which is the written test. Okay? So this is for you. Please keep that. So here in the written test, this is composed of 30 items, 23 being the passing score, which is equivalent to 75%. So the written test is composed of test 1, true or false, test 2, multiple choice, test 3, enumeration, and test 4, fill in the blanks. You are given 1 hour to answer. Do you have any questions before we start? Okay, time check. It is 9 a.m. You will be finished by 10 a.m. So your timer starts now. Okay, it is already 9 a.m. Please start the paper. Thank you so much. So now that you are finished with the written test, let's proceed right here for your demonstration. So please bring your specific instruction project. So right here, please read again the specific instruction for candidate. Okay? Are you finished? Okay? So please lay it down right here and wear your PPE. So given the tools, equipments, materials, and supplies, you will be performing the provide optimum environment of the birds for 2 hours. Do you have any questions? Okay, if none, time check, it is 10 a.m. You will be finished by 12 a.m. So your timer starts now. Okay, it is already 12 a.m. So you finished also your demonstration. So please, your PPE, take off your PPEs and let's go again right here for your oral test. So
ma'am, sa kanta po, si Sismen, ipa-check pa niyo kung ano difference sa...
Opo, sa
Okay, easy lang yun. Yung ito ka, signature, design ito face. Yes, check.
ibigay mo sa AC.
Sa CCTV.
Pwede rin siya.